Today I'm going to teach you how to keep one color in Photoshop. I'm going to make it very easy and simple without the need of masks. So first, select your layer, come down here to Hue and Saturation. Now, what I want to do here is click this icon here and go over the color you want to keep. So let's say we want to keep this red here. I'm going to click here, reds. Now, if we turn the saturation down, it's going to turn down the color of the reds, which is the opposite of what we want, right? We want to keep the reds. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to this here, and we're going to invert these. So 315 needs to be over here, and 15 needs to be over here. The way we do this is we click here in the middle, and then we drag it across. Bring it over here. We keep dragging it across until it says 315 on this side. And I'm going to move this over a little bit. So on the right, it needs to say 315. 316, that'll do. And on the other side, it needs to say 15. I'll just put 16. So now, when we do the saturation down, you can see what it's done is it's changed the background colors to black and white, and it's kept these red. Now, it's not perfect, and if you spent a little bit more time doing it and getting the numbers right, it would be very good. But yeah, that's how to do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.